Hi everyone, welcome to another little video. This one again is probably going to be relatively short, as this week I've learned to get something working which has bugged me for absolutely ages, pretty much throughout my entire Home Assistant journey, and that is I've always wanted to be able to get near real-time gas utilization into my energy dashboard. And I've thought, well, the data must be available because I can see it on my smart meter in home display. Why can't Home Assistant just tap into that some way or another? Unfortunately, with Octopus Energy, although you get the API access into your account, your gas utilization figures are always 24 hours delayed. So I do have my gas utilization on my main dashboard here, which gives me yesterday, and in fact I track that in Grafana as well, just as a little bit of interest. And I've got my gas purchased over the last 90 days. As you can see, it's got cold, and that's when I've got the heating on. But there we go. So anyway, yeah, this week a good friend of mine has he found a method of pulling Home Assistant smart meter, pulling into Home Assistant your smart meter information, which I'm going to quickly run through with you how to do that now. Literally, first step is to create an account on Glow Market. I think that's how you say it. I'll pop the URL in the description shortly. So you create an account, just need email address and password. Once your account's set up, you then need to pop in the GUID, which is the identifier of your in-home display. It'll be on the bottom or the back of it. It looks a little bit like a MAC address, so it's alphanumeric with dashes in between. Once you pop that in, almost straight away, you'll see in Glow Market, you'll get your tariff rates, and you can start to look at your energy data. I'm not going to show you that because it's got my meter references on there. I don't really want to share that with the entire world. But yeah, so straight away, or within a couple of minutes, you'll get this in your account. There is an Apple and Android app as well if you wanted to put that on your devices, so you can look at your smart meter utilization. So the next step to get it into Home Assistant would be there is a Hacks repository that you need to install. So literally go to Hacks, integrations. I've already done this. So I can't show you the download and install process, but hopefully you're fairly familiar with that. So you go to download and explore repositories and search for Glow. I'm pretty sure it's the first one that will pop up, or the only one that will pop up. Once that's downloaded, you do need to give Home Assistant a full restart in order for it to recognize it. And then once that is done, you can just go into your settings and integrations, and you will have the Glow DCC integration, and from within there you can then pop in your email address and password, and it will start to pull the data from your Glow account. Once you have that, you can then have a look, and you'll get these entities in Home Assistant, which is showing you gas and electric costs and utilization in terms of kilowatt hours and monetary costs, and you can then use those entities to actually populate your energy dashboard. So if I just go back to my energy dashboard here, we can see I've now got a gas consumption bubble, which I think is really good, really helpful. And you can see when I took a shower this morning, and you can see I've got my consumption and cost being calculated there. Now, if you, in order to get that into the dashboard, again, sorry if this is teaching you to suck eggs. It's just a case of going into settings, dashboards, and energy, and then you can just add your gas consumption sensor. I'm not going to open that because I use my Octopus integration to get the unit rates, and that's got my meter IDs and stuff in it in my entities, so I won't share that, but it's really very straightforward to do. So, well, hopefully you have found that useful, and like I say, now I'm really pleased I've got gas consumption in my energy dashboard. once you've configured the integration, it does take maybe, well, I think it took 12 hours for mine to start pulling data through. So don't expect to start seeing data on your Energy dashboard straight away. But you can, as long as you can see the figures in your entity states, then it will be working, and you'll start to pick up data at some point. Yeah, so I hope you found that useful. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, welcome.